That couldn't have been no good. He's putting the powder sugar on it right. What you got there? Okay, and it's gonna be delicious. That couldn't have been no good. He's putting the powder sugar on it right. What you got there? Okay, and it's gonna be delicious. There's different scents. There's cola blue, baby powder, lemongrass, lavender, unscented. They're all homemade. They're good for like your beard, your skin, your hair. Keeps you smelling good all day. Gives you a nice glow without being oily or anything like that. I think they absorb really well. So it's so nice, and she has Instagram, and there's an order link if you want it to be shipped to you.